Hello, Eva. Okay, the answer is tick, tick, tick. How simple that was. English. Usually students get always confused. They're like, what language? Is it Python? Is it Java? Is it some coding? No, it's English. Person here is saying in English would, but definitely, like us, we humans, we got so many languages around us. Do you think computers also have their own language? Let's say computers which are being used in United States are different from the one that's being used in Japan. What do you think, Diva?
They speak different languages.
Yeah, usually, yes, you're right. When I teach students around the world, they come up with the different computers and they have different language in it. But Eva, there is only one language which runs through all the computer machines. Now, when I say computer machines, it can be your application, apps, robots, cars, every other thing. And this language is called as binary. Have you ever heard of this binary thing before? Your tablet or your mobile phone or your gaming console or TV, they are all running in this binary language. So what's binary about? Binary is all about ones and zeros. So let's say you want to say, hi, I am Eva and I'm doing coding. Yeah, tell me. You're right. Computer uses numbers, and there's like a lot of numbers which are happening. You know why? Because all the computers are running on some tech chip, which make all these things very faster to compute, and there is so much of things already happening. But working with numbers like ones and zeros. Let's say I want to say hi, I'm Eva, can take you about hundreds of these ones and zeros. So they're kind of very complicated, and you can end up with a lot of errors. So can we solve this thing by doing something? Yes. Have you ever traveled to a different country, like a foreign place, maybe somewhere out of US, somewhere where people don't speak your language? Maybe you've been to Paris, maybe you've been to Mexico. So that's like, give me a high five. That was the exact answer I'm looking for, the translation. Oh, just don't hit your camera. Okay, so cool. Thank you. Sorry, this cat doesn't have any arms moving. So yeah, you got the right answer. Translation. Programming languages act like translation between you and computers. And there are so many programming languages around the world. We have Python, we have Java, even, the game that you play on Roblox that also use a programming language called Lua, which is similar to Python. So there are so many programming languages there. And we are going to be using Python. And what's Python? It's a coding language which helps you to build games, animation, robots, programs, website, web apps, applications, automations, everything with your code. So I'm going to write a simple code here. I'll say print hi, or I'll say print hi Eva. So what do you, high five again? Nice answer. Oh, okay, cool. So we want to make something with help of computer, and you gonna pick. Are you writing this thing? You don't need to. You don't need to write it down. I will explain you again. This is just a trial lesson, so have fun while we make things happen. Cool. For us, it's gonna be Python. You're gonna write your code in Python. That code goes to the computer machine. This thing works here. Finally, computer starts to work. Cool. Now, the very interesting part comes where we're going to be actually seeing how Python works in real works. But in real, when you'll be practicing your code, things are going to be quite different. So can you see my desktop screen? We'll be using Python. By the way, remember, I told you not to worry about the code or program, so don't worry about them. Okay. Let's write the code. I'm going to say here, print, hello, or just say, hello, Eva. And I'm going to run this thing. Let's see if the computer can understand us. So I'm going to say Eva and run it. There we go. There we go. The computer understands it. It says, hello, Eva. Now, what happens if I don't write this thing? I'll take out some brackets away. Do you think it will run? Uh-oh, it says syntax error. What do you mean by syntax? Syntax means rules. So code needs rules to be followed. Do you want to write your first line of code with me? I'm going to give you controls. All right, there we go. Just try the same thing that I did out there, but this time try to give me a different message. Not only the addition, you can know about the subtraction, division, multiplication, and almost everything, maybe faster than the calculator. So I'm going to just write, I want to know about the multiplication. I want to know about the difference, subtraction, and the division. So let's do it. There we go. We got the answers. Cool. Let's say from total, import star. So with Python, you're trying to do a lot of things. Pick me a favorite color for the background.
Red. Yeah.
Okay. But I'm going to run it. Ta-da. So let's say I'm going to create a turtle named Eva, and I'll say, let's call the turtle thing. And Eva, pick me a color for your turtle. Use that. Let's see how it looks. So I'm going to write here turtle. And definitely you're not turtle, just like a drawing pen for you. There we go. Oh, there is one more thing we need to do. We need to, we got Eva equals turtle, color, shape. So when you run it, take a look. Do you see a blue turtle here?
Yes.
To say something. I'm going to come down and I will say style. So turtle says hi there. And yeah, I will make some couple of changes. And center. And I will make one more change over here. I'll make it full. Okay, so your turtle types that and we'll wait for 2 seconds. So import time, time.sleep for 2 seconds, let's say 3 seconds, and then clear. So let's see how it works. 3, 2, 1, and go. Hi there. Cool. And after 3 seconds, it goes away. Awesome. So I'm gonna come back here now. After that, I want to draw a square. So right. So I'll write a loop here. So I'll say for sides and range, I have 4 sides. I want for all the 4 sides ever to go right for 90 degrees. So you turn right 90 degrees for 4 times. And then you take, you keep filling the shape by going forward. So forward for 200 steps. After that, stop your color fill. Don't worry about the code again. It's just like introduction for you. And let's see how it works. Hi there. And after a few seconds, you will see that thing goes away and there comes a square. Cool. It's a simple game. You need to collect all the burgers out there. You can even do more. For example, if you come back, I will go with, let's say I'm going to show you something really cool. So if you go to Python projects, Python, this is all done in Python. All these games, animations, and so much more. Take a look at this thing. Do you play Mario?
Yeah.
So I'm going to open this code up over here. All these lines of code will turn you to make a game something similar to this. Cool. So when I run it, you just need to be really fast for this.